Hello everyone, today I want to cat game Spider-Man. Let's play together. It's Spider-Man Part 3. It's my I used to play this something like 1 or 2 days ago, but I want to starting new to make it be part 1. Let's go. Now he just like the spider because he has something like web, and that will make him like some kind of spider from wood. That called sensing of him because he had something called that triangle is sensing of him. Yeah, I can find through it. I don't know what's been going. I just want to knock out this man. Yeah, I need to protect myself. And I do some job like with power, born with power, and it more duty to be that power. Now I need to call King, and I will knock out this man again. Just whip him before and put them off. He's still knocking. I don't know if he did that. Or man be something like not harm anyone, only who want to destroy the world or changing world to be bad. Now say it hero because he so much power and he must deal with it with power he had. He be the same person. He would not be hard work like this. No. I still had sensing of spider around me. Yeah, this is in part 1. I think, oh, it's not in. I may be wrong. Just keep doing it. Now I can continue to part 2 before because something like this video too short. I need to be make it long. Now I want to keep going. 1, 2. Okay, I can pass into it. I will stun him. So allow for Shinker. Oh, into wave him and passing to, but need to finish him because him will be something like duty to human. He just like gangster, but I will protect anyone who he back at from lead hacker. Need to finish him. Oh, this is slower than me, but I can control. I look control now, and I need to be back to finish him. One. Oh no, need to die again. 1 2 lock and caught him 1 2 1 2 3 okay. Now is big stronger because he is some like president of Pat 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 you and need to whip him here and do something like finish them but they want damage to me. I need to whip to him again. He like big boss. Okay, I can beat him now. But my sensing want to continue. Like that angle. You continue to that angle. Yeah, there will sand in city how you saw. It mean that Sandman you coming if you to see Spider-Man T from movie. I need to whip him first. He have more power, so he be being big hell. Don't know I can finish him, but just to using some sense. Need to fix my finger now. Okay, it's more easy. 1 2 1 2 pick up him and finish him. Okay, can get about it. Now big boss come again. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 okay. Okay, I can pass into this part. Let be this part is part 2. It called Harry Osborn. That is part 2. Okay, I can finish this game now. Thank you everyone for watching. Goodbye.